Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kings. This is a channel that teaches you how to monetize skills and crypto update. So very quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to claim a multi-million coin all for free. It is called Nexus USD, all for free into your Trust wallet. So if you are watching me for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, wait for the bell icon to pop up, then click on the bell icon and click on all so as to get notified of all of my recent videos. And my upload time is always 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. prompt, so don't miss any of my drop. You can also join my Telegram channel via the link in the description. Let me just click this one to show you how I place the link down in my description menu below. So you're going to see it like this. You can see it right here. This is my Telegram channel, so you can join me on my Telegram channel and enjoy lots and lots of recent airdrop. So let's get straight to the video. So step one, you have to install your Trust Wallet app and copy this link which will be in the description menu below and paste in here and run it in your D app. So you can see nexusd.space is the website. You could claim the airdrop. You could buy the least minimum amount of nexusd you can buy is about 5,000 of the coin. Then to get your referral link, you have to paste your BSC scan address here. That's your Binance Smart Chain contract address right in here to get a referral code. Then you can invite others. Now the link I paste in right here is showing the referral ID here of the person which I copied it from, so it's going to be showing like that. Then the total supply of this token is 100 trillion, and the airdrop cap for they are using 20 trillion for this airdrop, about 20% of it, and the pre-sale cap is 50 trillion. So in total everything is going for 70 trillion, and they will be left with 30 trillion for the main sale on PancakeSwap. So they are going to be burning 50% of the coin, and 70% liquidity will be added to PancakeSwap for each transfer to make the market to be stable. Then airdrop and pre-sale, you earn about 60% of BNB and 70% of Next USD reward for every referral in airdrop and pre-sale. So don't play with this coin. It is going to pump on PancakeSwap very soon. So to claim this, just click on airdrop and you'll be asked to pay a little but small fee for this airdrop. So I've claimed this already, so for the purpose of this video I will not be claiming anymore. So you just have about $3.25 dollars to pay all in one to claim this airdrop all for free. So 0.1 BNB will give you 5,000 of Next USD, and for me it's a little bit costly, and I know once it goes to the PancakeSwap it will be more costlier. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's your boy Ola, and this is my channel Tech Kings. Okay guys, till next time, we'll see you again. Goodbye and stay blessed.